Thanks, Spencer. Now, there is still a hold on funding to the Jamaica Table Tennis Association from the Sport Development Foundation for failure to present outstanding financial statements. Renata Brown reports.
It's been 9 months since the Sports Development Foundation issued a letter to the Jamaica Table Tennis Association informing them that funds will be withheld due to the Supreme Court's ruling in September that declared their 2019 annual general meeting null and void. The letter, which is addressed to President Godfrey Lothian, which has been obtained by TVJ Sports, also noted that the SDF had obtained documentation suggesting that the National Table Tennis Organization was severely indebted to numerous institutions. It also stated that the SDF had not received information relating to their organization's debt. The letter also requested outstanding financial statements for the period of 2015, 2 years after Lothian took charge of the JTTA, and 2018. However, when TVJ Sports contacted General Manager of the SDF, Denzel Wilkes, we were told that the financial statements were still outstanding.
No, the financial statements that we have requested, while we have been told that they are in the process of preparation, factually we haven't actually received them up to now as I'm speaking. We had placed on hold funding because of the court ruling, as well as it's also related to the failure to supply these financial statements.
But why was the JTTA still being funded by the SDF for the last 5 years, despite not submitting financial statements?
When a particular sporting body is providing regularly its quarterly statements, we have been, and you could say maybe overly lenient, but we have been basically, we try to pressure them, but because we are receiving the quarterly statements, which does give some indication as to what is going on, we have now tightened that up. From time to time, there are some sporting bodies who would indicate that, okay, we're having this particular challenge or we're having this particular challenge, and from the perspective of just being reasonable and not wanting to shut down the sport, we have given consideration to extending the time and that sort of thing.
Wilkes also revealed that the submission of the outstanding financial statements is only one step in the process to resuming funding of the JTTA.
No, it wouldn't be automatic in the peculiar case of the JTTA. But the court ruling makes their case peculiar and separate and apart from us just taking action as a result of failure to submit statements. That court ruling, we have to be ensuring that we can be seen, for example, to be in contempt of the court ruling.
Lothian and other members of his administration have declined comment on the matter due to mediation proceedings between the JTTA and affiliate members, which is being overseen by the Jamaica Olympic Association. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.